Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I am the activity author here to bring you another book inspired mini craft video. Y'all know this is my new segment. Same video, but just in shorter form, okay? And guys, this is Black History Month, and I am celebrating by bringing you a book by a Black author every Sunday this month. So take time to make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss all of the features I have here this month. Okay. And if you don't know me, guys, hey, I'm Cheryl. I'm an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. Okay, so guys, check out my mini videos here on this channel. I have over 200 videos, so I know you're gonna find something that you and the kids are going to love. So check me out. All right, guys, today's featured book is called My Mother's Wildest Dreams by Mr. John Light Jr., illustrated by Monica McKay. This gorgeous book pays homage to the ancestors and mothers of a Virginia family. So guys, y'all might want to stay tuned to hear more about this book and why it needs to be a part of your child's collection. This is the perfect book to kick off Black History Month. So y'all know I always bring y'all the best. So stick around till after the craft and I will tell you guys more about this book. All right, guys, so let me quickly show you the craft that was inspired by my mother's wildest dreams. And like I always say, let's get crafty. How could you not look at this book and not want to make flowers? I'm just saying. So I want to send a special shout out to Miss Brown with Sunflower Success, who gave me these craft kits. They're also found at the Mint Museum if you're here in Charlotte. But I thought to myself, this craft goes so well with today's book, and hence why I am bringing it to you guys here today. But yes, Miss Brown, I'm gonna put her information in the description box below. Y'all definitely need to know who she is. She provides babysitting services and educational workbooks, and these books are the coolest things I've ever seen, y'all. Promise you, y'all might want to check out Miss Brown. So I'm gonna put her information in the description box, and that way y'all can check her out. But thank you so much for these craft kits, Miss Brown. I also want to say, if you don't have a craft kit, because I know you guys are watching me from all over, you do not need this kit to do this craft. All you're going to need is yellow construction paper, green construction paper. I did not use this paper. Brown and cream colored crayon. These are pastel, by the way. I did not use this white. It's there in case you get any pastel colors on your fingers. Then you'll need a giant popsicle stick, and then you'll need 2 brown circles to be the inside of our flower. So we're going to start by folding our yellow square in half, and then we're going to draw petals for our flowers like this. So now that you're done with that, go ahead and cut it, but I'm gonna fold it again. I just had the genius idea of folding it again so that way I only have to cut it twice. So yeah, if you're watching this, go ahead and just fold it like I did so you only have to cut it twice. You gotta work smart, not hard, like my mom always say. Okay, so now you're going to take the green rectangle and you are going to draw about 3 leaf petals, just like you see me doing here, and you're gonna cut them out as well. I'm gonna go ahead and add some detail in the inside of mine. Just so, I mean, I got the pastel crayons, why not use them, right? But since your child is doing this with you, go ahead and have them decorate the inside of the leaves as you cut them out, or if they can cut them out, that is fine as well. So now we are designing our inner portion of our sunflowers. So we're just being creative. We're just drawing whatever we want. And now we're gonna go ahead and glue the petals on. Y'all, I just remembered the kit. If you have the kit, it comes with glue. It comes with a glue stick, but I didn't remember. So I just used my regular liquid glue. And now you see my daughter here is putting more glue, and we're just going to add the leaves just like this. Now you don't have to add the leaves like we did. We just wanted to give this a nice little extra flair, and I thought it was so cute like this. But you guys can just glue the leaves on like normal if you want. But yeah, this gives you some options. So now to finish this up, you know, sunflowers, they have the little details. So me and my daughter were adding detail to both sides. We flipped it around and we're going to add some more detail. This part was the most fun. I love the way pastel crayons feel. So this is my daughter's first time working with pastel crayons. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is a simple craft that you guys can do with this book, My Mother's Wildest Dreams. And then you can expand on it as well by teaching kids where flowers come from and the symbolism of flowers. So yes, I'm excited to teach my daughter that as well. So before you guys go, let me quickly tell you about the book that inspired this craft here today. Many ancestors are responsible for bringing us into this world. My Mother's Wildest Dream honors the mothers responsible for bringing our author, Mr. John, here. I know it's in honor of his family, but many of us can definitely relate to this book because I know I saw my aunties and my grandmother all up and through these pages, y'all. This beautiful, beautiful illustrated book and these poetic words just gives you so much hope, and it just inspires dreams and aspirations. And it basically is an ode to what every mother feels when they look at their child. So a takeaway we can take from this book is that life changes, seasons change, and scenery changes, right? But a mother's love lasts forever. So let me quickly tell y'all about Mr. John so y'all can see how all this kind of comes together full circle, okay? So me and Mr. John, we go way back. Because guys, did you know that I actually credit my book-inspired craft series to him? Because his book, The Adventures of Joshua and Pip, was the very first book I featured on this book-inspired craft series here on YouTube. Yeah, we made a cardboard airplane and it is still my most popular book-inspired craft video. So y'all check it out. Click the card up top if you haven't seen it. I'll also link it down below. But it's a cute little video, you know, humble beginnings, humble beginnings. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? But yes, I met Mr. John on Instagram when I first published my book, My Daddy Doesn't Need a Cape, in 2019. And I found out that he was a librarian and an author. I was immediately connected to his books, and I often joked like this book, Joshua and Pip series, needs to be on Nick Jr. some way because it is such a good book. It needs to be turned into a children's show. I'm not even playing with y'all. But yes, Mr. John is a black male librarian, and before him, I didn't even know that existed, y'all. I didn't. I'm not even gonna cap. I didn't know that was gonna, because I mean, when I was growing up, all the librarians were females, so I didn't even know that men could be librarians before I met him. So yeah, fun fact. But for real, guys, I thought I needed to stick with him because I know this man was gonna make history from the time I met him. Not only has he written and published 3 books, he also has a publishing company that he created in 2017 called They Lived Happily Ever After LLC. Now, this company provides storytelling, children's books, storytime author visits, and all types of services, guys. So yes, Mr. John is an author, a librarian, and a professional storyteller. Travels all around the world sharing his gifts to many children. So it's so appropriate that he wrote this book because, you know, Mr. John loves helping people find their long lost relatives, and he loves, you know, the ancestor path and, you know, interesting facts about people's ancestors and their lives and their, you know, family trees. That's all that he is into. So it makes perfect sense that he would make a book like My Mother's Wildest Dreams. I'm just saying. So guys, you have to connect with Mr. John. Very lovable guy. I am still friends with him today on social media, and hopefully one day I can meet him in person down in Savannah. But yes, y'all need to follow this man. He is making history as we speak. I got all of his socials down in the description box below, and definitely grab a copy of his books. He has The Adventures of Joshua and Pip. Then he has a spin-off series called The Adventures of Joshua and Pip, Calvin the Catfish. My children love that one. And then, of course, today's book, My Mother's Wildest Dreams. So everything is linked down below. And guys, real quick, I noticed that My Mother's Wildest Dreams, it's on sale on Amazon, and I don't know how long it's gonna last. So y'all need to hurry up right now. As soon as y'all see this video, click that link, go buy this book, because Amazon don't keep them sales up very long. So you probably got like upmost 2 a day to get it. So go, grab this book while it's on sale and add it to your child's book collection. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Please don't forget to like this video and drop me a comment if you got any questions, or if you want to just tell me how much you really love this craft. When you guys make this craft, however, don't forget to take pictures and tag me on Instagram so I can share and celebrate your child. And lastly, don't forget to share this video with a friend, a parent, a teacher, a babysitter, a pastor, whoever you know out there that loves creating with kids. And don't leave just yet, because y'all know I have over 200 videos here on this channel that y'all can indulge in. So click one of these 2 videos you see here on the screen, and I will catch you in that next video. Okay, guys? Bye.